Hello, good morning. Ito po ay officially departed na tayo ng Cubao, and we are heading northbound. Bali, actually ang time of departure natin is 15 minutes past midnight or 12:15, and we departed exactly, that's 20 minutes past midnight. So 12:15 ngayon here in Cubao. So sinubukan natin yung sinubukan namin family to ride in a bus na mayroong sleeper type, and first impression, it's a very nice, comfortable siya, at ito po ay papakita ko sa inyo. And nasa U-turn slot na tayo ngayon, heading into the U-turn slot, and then going back and proceeding into the expressway, in the North Luzon expressway. So maganda, mayroon siyang may individual upuan, and mayroon kang curtain, and well, in short, there is a privacy for this one. And mayroon kang ilaw, cabin lights, switch on. Yan po, yan yung ilaw niya, switch on ko ulit. Then yeah, mag-i-enjoy po kayo. So I would like to thank my wife for this. Yung misis ko yung did all of the planning while I was still on board, and sinabi ko lang na every time na on my vacation, pagbaba ako, we always have a plan na at least mayroong vacation yung family, especially pag nasa bakasyon ako. So this time, this is a out of town trip, and we're heading north. So ito po, nasa EDSA na tayo, and yeah, maganda bumiyahe ganitong oras, halos walang traffic. So kung makikita po ninyo, that's the EDSA express lane. Halos walang mga sasakyan traveling during midnight. So yeah, I would like to pause for a while, and see you later on, especially pag nasa North Luzon expressway, or is there anything something interesting na i-share ko po sa inyo, then I'm going to record that one and share it to you. So see you later on. Okay, bye bye.